friends, we are going to eat some mulberries. So let's go. Are you hungry? Ta-da. We're gonna pluck the mulberries out. Sorry if I said that wrong. This one. Yeah. Papa. Wait, good dog. There, guys. Nhìn ra cái nước sử dụng. Mấy cái ra này sử dụng. Inside. Come by, man. Becomes outside. There, guys. Nhìn cái EP. Papa. Yeah. There, guys. SYMBAI. Dan DONBUN kaya banghay niya dati is season but SYMBAI ini way dia banyak kan saya dia take guys SYMBAI wait but yeah, we can eat some stuff. So yes, yeah. But guys, look at this. The So yes, yeah. My hand is full. Yeah. We mulberry. We're gonna some stuff. So yes, yeah. My hands full. There, guys, buat ini ini mulberry, bunch of them. Yeah, banyak. That's the plan. Shall I film? No. Ikan bat kena, I no. But mengancam, mengancam. Mengarap sembah. Papa, you can just get the ball. You get the ball. Don't go get the ball. There's so many blueberries here. Ethan's just getting the bowl and we're getting the lot. And look at that one over there. We got a lot. friends, we have so many of these berries. Look at those. Get this one. Huh? What this one? What this one? Get this one. Look at. And
Pluck the ripe one.
the what? The red one?
Ripe.
Oh, I am not reach. Okay. Wow, we got so many. Ayo tuh. Guys, ayo sibuan. Yeah, guys, guys, dan hibur kah? Is it fun? Get that one. Get that one. Get this one. Yeah, guys, ayo ini ya san tingin bang na megan tidak ada bang. Ini guys, tuh, babang ha. But guys. But guys, ke maut jonga ka red lên jonga ru jonga ya xanh xanh mà. Yeah, guys, please like and subscribe to this video. We really appreciate, and ask questions not if we just for fun, of course. The first question today, what is our most favorite color? What is my favorite color? Yeah, and what is her color? Her name is Megan, as you already know. I can like these blueberries. Guys, sebenarnya udah so udah ber itang ipapa ronga yang na office. Saya tujuh kebar pula ba ngapain ini? Dia betul grandma ronga, may dong ipapa ronga. Because not red look. Cuma but red look. Oh my gosh, guys. Why do they have red things in there? The second question I'm asked, why does blueberries and blackberries and all mulberries have red color? Like when you eat them, you get red color like this, like that. Why is that? Please answer in the comments. And oh my gosh, look at her. She's like a vampire, guys. But yeah, vampire. You can vampire. Oh my god, MALU.
Wala akong nete.
Oh my gosh, consolation tang napkin.
Guys, tanya nga. Yummy.
Guys, your napkin. Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness.
Look at them. Not going to wipe, not like a dish bit.
Let me do that.
Bye. There, bit guys. You babang kanya. Sa thong ma phiru spin babang ha.
Yeah.
Dan kan guys. Baik kini tadi dan berat tu bakal sen berat ni pada berat pelan. Jat ha. There. If you wanna see more videos like this, but the Fiko and Pet ki videos pangi plan KUMTO. Yeah. So I like but subscribe and share. And guys, panga
I'm gonna let you pee.
huh? But nga wanra u ni thiệt
Dạ
là
lòng phiền của nó.
mà nga thiệt của u wig tạm mà guys còn bên EP ta u wig
The black button boy. Nó bám lại. Bên dạ lòng phiền của nó. Chú wipe ra.
Oh guys, tu ni abot TV. Basta takaraw untuk berapa ni bocor tu. Jangan Jepang ni yang buat lah tu.
Why can get up?
Pimbang ni apa?
Bám.
Ni guys si babang ha. Ni sumi red bed tu. Along papaya mengiangat. But these guys are really yummy.
Yummy.
I mean yummy.
He means yummy.
No.
But yummy.
Huh? Oh my gosh, guys. Pengaruh. Guys.
Guys, lihat pampelan.
Nak kedong ni angat.
Yeah.
Guys. Tu ya bang.
Oh no, where's the napkin?
There guys, nak cuba wash ni yang sebanyak tu. Maaf.
I'm going to put your pee and wash.
Tuh guys, ada buah Megan, bukan? Ada buah. Tuh, Megan, bukan itu. Itu sahabnya. Tuh.
Here.
Ya, wan ipak kat tengah. Kunci guys.
They're not like this. See?
So guys, these are really yummy.
Jeff,
Or
what been bamwang?
here.
What been bamwang? What been bamwang?
I'm Jepang rare.
What been bamwang?
I'm Jepang rare.
Kunci bang siapa?
Hi Rubik's, huh?
Ah, teacher.
Oh guys. Guys, Megan imut tahu dia senang. Ya shu. Ya let bin tu. Ya shu run around tu. Ya let bin. Dia. Guys. So guys, please like and subscribe. Share to your friends and families. And bye guys, thank you for watching.